Transforming business with DX. Digital transformation uses digital technologies to reshape business models, workflows, and customer experiences, enhancing competitiveness. It is more than adopting IT systems, it transforms how businesses operate fundamentally. In retail, companies like Walmart use AI to analyze customer data and recommend personalized products, boosting sales significantly. Walmart also uses big data to predict store demand, optimizing inventory and reducing shortages and excess stock. This ensures higher efficiency and profitability while improving customer satisfaction. In manufacturing, Toyota's smart factories use IoT sensors to monitor machines and detect potential issues before breakdowns occur. Real-time data on temperature, vibrations, and performance enables proactive maintenance, avoiding costly production delays. By maximizing efficiency, Toyota has set a new standard for industrial innovation, inspiring other manufacturers globally. In healthcare, telemedicine has made patient care more accessible, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Patients can consult doctors remotely using smartphones or computers, reducing hospital visits and ensuring timely medical care. This technology has proven vital for improving healthcare efficiency and addressing accessibility challenges in underserved areas. In logistics, Amazon automates warehouse operations using AI and robotics to reduce processing time dramatically. Robots handle tasks like picking and sorting products, allowing human workers to focus on more complex tasks. This has increased operational speed, improved accuracy, and maintained Amazon's competitive edge in e-commerce. DX success stories share common elements. Businesses do not simply adopt technology, they foster a culture that embraces digital tools and innovation. Walmart's employees, for example, are trained to adapt to AI-driven systems, ensuring smooth operational transitions. Top management provides clear visions and drives innovation throughout the organization, ensuring alignment with strategic goals. DX delivers more than efficiency improvements or cost savings. It creates new value for customers through faster services, personalized experiences, and innovative products. Companies that successfully implement DX unlock new revenue opportunities, strengthen market positions, and future-proof their operations. In today's fast-changing business environment, DX has become a strategic necessity for sustainable growth and long-term success.